This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Robin Bingham. 2-year-old new construction 2-story in Christian Springs Subdivision on a double lot. Open floor plan, 4-bedroom, 2 full bath, 1 half bath. Upstairs, master bedroom is large west/tray ceilings west/large walk-in closet. Upstairs second and third bedroom, kitchen, living room, dining room and fourth bed/office main floor. Large covered porch. Hardwood main, carpet upstairs. For more information, review the details below or contact Robin Bingham at 865-966-1111.